Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we are taking a legendary device, the OnePlus 6T, and flashing it with something brand new, Derpfest ROM, based on Android 16. It's always amazing to see the developer community keeping these fantastic phones alive with the latest Android versions. So, I've had this installed for a couple of days and I've dug through all the settings and run some tests. Is this the ROM to bring new life to your 6T? Let's find out. Right off the bat, the ROM feels incredibly smooth. Animations are fluid and you get that clean, stock Android 16 experience, but the real reason you install a ROM like Derpfest is for the customization. Let's jump straight into settings and find the main attraction, the Derpfest Customizations menu. This is where all the magic happens. First up, we have the Monet settings. This is your A to Z theme engine. You can personalize the entire look of your UI, tweak the color palettes, and really dial in the theme to match your wallpaper and your style. Next, let's look at the status bar options. This is a big one. You have full control over the network traffic monitor, so you can see your speeds right in the status bar. You can also, of course, change the clock position, left, center, or right. Moving on to quick settings. This menu lets you change the look and feel of your QS panel. You can change the shape of the tiles. We're talking circles, squares, teardrops, and adjust the brightness slider behavior, deciding if you want it always visible or not. The customization doesn't stop there. The notifications menu has tweaks for things like retickers. The buttons menu is great for remapping your hardware keys, and the lock screen menu gives you control over what's displayed, from weather to charging info. Finally, there's a miscellaneous tab. This is a grab bag of useful features, but the most important one here is the toggle for privacy indicators, those little dots that tell you when your camera or mic is being used. So, as you can see, the customization is absolutely packed. But what about the performance? In daily use, it's been fantastic. Apps open quickly and scrolling is smooth. For those of you who want the hard numbers, I ran Geekbench and it scored 558 on the single core and 2109 on the multi-core. For a device this old, those are very respectable scores. It shows the ROM is well optimized and makes the OnePlus 6T feel much newer than it is. Okay, but it's not perfect. We have to talk about the downsides, and there are three big ones you need to know. First, a minor bug. I found that some of the header image features in the settings just don't work. It's a small visual thing, but it's an issue. Second, and this is a big one for many of you, unlimited Google Photo storage is not available in this ROM. Many other ROMs spoof this, but Derpfest doesn't. So if that's a key feature for you, this ROM doesn't have it. And finally, the biggest catch, SafetyNet. Right out of the box, it fails SafetyNet by default. I ran the test and it did not pass. This is critical to know because it means apps like Google Pay and many of your secure banking apps will not work. So, what's my final verdict on Derpfest for the OnePlus 6T? Honestly, it's a classic power user ROM. It's fast, it's stable, and the level of customization is just incredible. But that who is it? The question is really important here. If you are a tinkerer, you love to customize, you don't care about unlimited photos, and you are comfortable with using Magisk to hide root and pass SafetyNet yourself, then I can't recommend this ROM enough. It's a blast. However, if you just want to install a ROM and have your banking apps and Google Pay work with no extra steps, or if you need that unlimited photos backup, this one isn't for you. What do you guys think? Are you planning to flash this on your 6T? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. I'll see you in the next one.